Now we're going to be translating a sentence into a one-step equation. So remember what I said, the difference between expressions and equations. Equations has an equal sign, right? And the key word for an equation is the word is. So let's read our instructions. It says translate this sentence into an equation. And it says Rita's height increased by 11 is 72. So let me rewrite the sentence. Rita's height increased by 11 is 72. And it says to use the variable r to represent Rita's height. So let's just start translating, right? Rita's height, what do we say that is? R. Increased by. What mathematical operation is increased by? My age increased by 2 years, right? What am I going to do? I'm going to add it, right? So I'm going to increased by 11. The word is equals, and it's 72. So very simply, I've just translated this entire sentence into a mathematical equation. We haven't been asked to solve it yet, but I could, right? Here it just says r plus 11 equals 72. And from here, you can solve and find out what r is. But they didn't actually ask us to do it. They only asked us to translate, right? So let's try another one. The next one says 51 is the product of 3 and Diego's height. Use the variable d to represent Diego's height. So I'm going to rewrite my sentence. 51 is the product of 3 and Diego's height. Again, let's see what we know. Right? We have 51 is, again, translates to the mathematical symbol equals. The product. So what is the product of? Right? The product means multiplication, right? And what are we multiplying? We're multiplying 3 and Diego's height, which is, they told us to use d for Diego's height. Right? So I'm going to put d. So 51, I'm going to rewrite this a little bit. So 51 is equals 3 times d. So there's our equation. And again, we could solve it, but they only asked us to translate it.